That's the front door there. And a coat closet there. And the living room. And the kitchen. With a pantry at that door there. And the bathroom. And the laundry room. With some built-in shelves. And there's Taco. And the guest bedroom, which has a bunch of cat stuff in it right now. With their cat view out into the courtyard where there are a bunch of birds. And the closet there. Here's the back door that you can kind of see out onto the back porch there. Here's Pete's area near this window with the secret compartment in the nightstand there. Here's the TV we're using right now. And the bathroom. Oh, and walk-in closet there as well.